everybody, it's your pal Jimmy here, and today we're turning up the heat in the kitchen. Got leftover panko? No problem. We're about to transform that panko problem into a panko palace. Get ready for some mouth-watering recipes that'll blow your taste buds away. First up, we're talking chicken tenders, baby. Because who doesn't love a good, crispy chicken tender? With panko, these bad boys are out of this world. You'll need boneless, skinless chicken tenders, panko breadcrumbs, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk together 1 egg and milk. Mix panko, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Dip each tender in the egg mixture, then dredge in the panko mixture. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for 15, 20 minutes until golden brown. And there you have it, crispy, juicy, panko-crusted chicken tenders that'll have you saying, "Winner, winner, chicken dinner." Next up, we're giving a crunchy makeover. Panko-topped mac and cheese. Creamy, cheesy, carby goodness with a satisfying crunch in every bite. You'll need your favorite mac and cheese recipe, a half cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and a pinch of dried parsley. Whip up your mac and cheese, then preheat your oven's broiler. Mix panko and butter, sprinkle over mac and cheese. Broil for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Sprinkle with parsley and boom, a mac and cheese masterpiece. All right, seafood lovers, this one's for you. We're about to make some panko-crusted fish fillets that'll have you saying fish you were here. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of fish fillets, tilapia, cod, or flounder work great, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 egg, lightly beaten. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a shallow dish, combine your panko breadcrumbs, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Dip each fish fillet into the beaten egg, then dredge it in the panko mixture, pressing gently to make sure it sticks. Place the coated fish fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and the panko is golden brown and crispy. Serve with a squeeze of lemon and your favorite sides, and get ready to dive into a flavor explosion. Last but not least, we're stuffing some mushrooms, folks. These panko stuffed mushrooms are the perfect appetizer or side dish, and they're surprisingly easy to make. Here's the deal. You'll need 12 large mushrooms, stems removed, a half cup of panko breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, 1 clove of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, combine your panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, parsley, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spoon the panko mixture into the mushroom caps, mounding it slightly. Place the stuffed mushrooms on a baking sheet. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the mushrooms are tender and the stuffing is golden brown. Serve these bad boys hot and watch them disappear faster than you can say, "Panko-licious." There you have it, folks. 4 panko-tastic recipes that are sure to impress your taste buds and leave you feeling like a culinary rock star. Who knew leftover breadcrumbs could be so versatile? Remember, panko is your friend, so don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. And if you come up with any other panko masterpieces, be sure to let me know. Until next time, stay cheesy, stay crunchy, and stay tuned for more deliciousness. Good night, everybody.